I'm adding like so much. It's not working. Are you kidding me?
What's up, guys? Back to the Slimeatory! Alright, guys, so today I am going to be trying out this new freaking activator I just found at Walmart. And basically, guys, I saw some Nickelodeon slime glue, only to realize it wasn't Nickelodeon slime glue, but it was Nickelodeon slime activator. Did you guys see this? But I've seen a lot of activators, guys, and some of them are like kind of like the ELMERS one. The ELMERS is nice, but you have to have like a lot of it, and it also melts really quick. Like the slime, like for me, it always melts. Like it gets hard on the top and melts. I don't know about you guys, has this ever happened to you? I don't know, but we're gonna basically be testing it out and seeing how it does. And judging by their slime kit, it should do pretty good because they do some pretty good activators, so yeah. And today's like my challenge, you guys comment down below what activator you like best. Do you like to use ELMERS or like CRAZ, or do you like to use like starch, detergent, borax? I like using borax because I feel like it's just like the best, easiest thing to use, so yeah. Let's get straight on into the video, yo! Alrighty guys, so we're gonna be testing out different glues. So first what I have is this glue all that is actually glue. It's dry. Do you guys see that? Inside it is dry, so I cannot use this. All right. Next we're gonna be, well actually not next. First one I guess we're gonna use is Color Splash Clear Glue. So this is the clear glue I like to use. It's very thin. It's not super thin, but it's pretty thin. I like it a lot, super nice and clear. I am gonna be trying the ELMERS one. I just wanted to try this out, see how well it does. And yeah, all right, so first we're gonna try out the Nickelodeon slime activator. Alrighty, so it's pretty watery, just like borax, you know? So let's go ahead and see. Usually in the slime kits, the activator is a bit strong, so I'm gonna add a little bit, see what happens. Oh, I should add food color, oopsies. Boop, boop. There we go. Now let's go ahead and add some more activator. It's not really working so far, so it seems like it's a bit weaker, on the weaker side. This is major clickbait right here. It's not working. Guys, it isn't working at all. What the heck? Okay, maybe it's super weak. I'm gonna put a lot. I already put like half the bottle already. It's still not, what the heck, guys? Maybe it's just glue. I'm gonna be trying other glue, so we'll see about that, but I'm gonna go ahead and activate it with some borax, see if it's still activatable. Maybe it's the glue. No, it's still, it's like if I just added water into there, like that is it. Whoa, this has a weird texture. This is like a super soft, slimy texture, guys. That's so weird. Anyways, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it like made it like a jello consistency. Like I've literally never seen this before. But anyways, it didn't work like at all. You know, like sometimes if something is kind of like just really weak and it's kind of strong, I added the same amount of borax I would normally add in here. Like it didn't even activate any faster. Okay, well this has the weirdest texture ever. I am really liking it though. Like it has a store-bought slime texture. It's really like jello-y. It's so weird. It has the texture of like the ELMERS magical liquid gives the slime. It has that texture. I like it though. It turned out pretty good, although I did like waste half of my activator, and those bottles were like $5 a pop, so you know. All right, well that was the weirdest thing ever. I'm gonna go ahead and try out ELMERS really quick. ELMERS white glue. Maybe my Color Splash is better, but like I activated with borax, so I don't understand. We're gonna put some ELMERS glue. I'm gonna try not to put as much as last time. I feel like maybe these activators might be weak or something. I'm gonna add some food coloring. Okay, let's try this again, guys. No way. Is this really not gonna work again? It kind of seems like it's clumping up. No, it's not. Oh my god. Is it really not gonna work? I'm adding like so much. It's not working. Are you kidding me? That's so weird. Let's add more activator. Well, I added borax, guys. I didn't specify that, but I just added some borax, and it's finally activating. Oh my god, are you kidding me? What the heck? I was excited for these because they look so freaking cool, and it's not even working. But it does give them a really cool jiggly color, so that's something, right? All right, well, I guess I overactivated that. That's interesting. Okay, well, that one was a complete fail. I don't know if I overactivated it because I didn't put that much, but it got really hard. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna try one more thing before I completely give up on this activator. I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna be trying some CRAZ art clear glue, because maybe they made it to where like you can only activate CRAZ art glue, which kind of be a bit dumb, but I guess it would make sense, you know, but they should put that on like the label. I don't think it says anything. Yeah, it doesn't say anything.
right, we're gonna make some blue slime. What would be awesome is if the activator, whoa, that's some thick glue actually. Okay, so I hope that this activates really easily. Okay, so we're gonna put only a little bit. Oh, really? Now it's working. It's working, guys. We finally got it to work. Wow. Wow. You know what I think that is? I think this activator is just water with baking soda. I really wish that they would put like on the cover of the glue bottle like only works with like Crazy Art, because that's hard. Like what if somebody buys like a whole gallon of Elmer's glue and like a bottle of their slime activator thinking that it's gonna activate when it really doesn't. All right, here it is. Still needs to be kneaded a little bit. It's kind of a bit rippy. Okay, well I don't really see much of a difference, but I'm gonna go ahead and activate some Crazy Art glue with some borax and then also with a magical liquid just to see the differences and compare and contrast, you know? Made slime videos, you know, I've learned that Crazy Art clear glue actually activates with like baking soda, so stuff with baking soda in it. So shaving cream, not contact solution, baking soda, facial cleansers with baking soda. Basically it activates it, but the white one doesn't. So I'm gonna try it out with the white one. Let's see if this activates the white one. This is Crazy Art white glue, and I've tried it before with just shaving cream. It doesn't work. So if this is just baking soda and water, then it will not work. Oh, geez, I forgot the food coloring. Blue. Yeah, let's do this. Is it gonna activate? Oh my god, guys. It's not activating. So this activator only activates clear glue. Okay, maybe I need some more. I'm basically just putting water. This is it. This just like melts it or something. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some borax in here. Borax save the day. Okay, yeah, that's working. Oh no, did I add too much again? Alright guys, well that activator, their slime activator, does not activate the white glue. It only activates their clear glue, I guess, so yeah. Or glues that have baking soda in it, because I know there was one more that had baking soda in it. I think it was beacon glue. So I think there are some glues out there that have baking soda in it, so you probably can do that. It gives it such a weird texture, guys, though. It's so weird. Alrighty, guys, so since the Crazy Art clear glue is the only one that works with this activator, we're gonna go ahead and compare it to the other activators. So first we're gonna do borax, food coloring, some glitter. I'm gonna put this orange neon glitter, and let's mix. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go ahead and put some activator, borax. Let's see how this goes. Oh, I remember that the borax actually doesn't activate it very well, the clear glue. It actually got some watery first and then it activates. It's kind of weird. So I guess that's one good thing from the Crazy Art activator. Okay guys, my slime isn't activating. Alrighty, so I guess it doesn't activate it, my borax. I think it needs to be a bit stronger, but we're gonna go ahead and try their activator. Wow, that activates it a lot quicker. It's like they were planning it this whole time. I remember the first time I got Crazy Art glue, it like activated, like it took so much borax, but like this one is actually activating it very well. Okay guys, so I made stronger borax activator just to see if it will work. So we're gonna go ahead and try that out. We'll make it blue this time with pink glitter. Now let's do this. Ooh, that looks cool, it turned purple. Alrighty, let's go ahead and try and activate it with my stronger borax. I just want to see if it will work with stronger borax, and it seems like it's not working still. Oh wait, no, I think it's working. Okay, well it seems like this glue doesn't work with borax, so that's pretty weird, but we're gonna go ahead and try Elmer's Magical Liquid 2 to see, maybe it's just like it doesn't work with borax, or maybe it doesn't work with any type of activator, but like, what the heck. This is like actually really strong activator. Finally made it. I'm not gonna put it back in the bowl because it still has activator, but here it is finally. The borax activates it pretty well. I don't know, it just doesn't go well with it, I guess. So I guess it doesn't activate very well. That's the weirdest thing ever, but I guess their slime activator is good for their glue. That's it. But we're gonna go ahead and try Elmer's magical liquid because I'm really curious to see what the heck's gonna happen with that. Alrighty guys, so next activator we're gonna do is the Elmer's magical liquid, and I'm only gonna put like this much because the magical liquid is super duper weak and I don't even know it's gonna work, so I'm gonna just put a little bit. We're gonna make it yellow, and here's some orange glitter. Alright, then let's try this. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? I think we have to put a lot. Ooh, I think it's working. I think it's working. Kind of looks like egg yolk. Okay, need more. I feel like the Elmer's magical liquid has baking soda in it too, so I think that's why it's working better. But that's so weird that the borax doesn't work as well as like this. Like usually the Elmer's liquid, it's like super, well, I mean not usually, but always, it's always very weak, and it actually worked for this. It did make it a bit like more watery. That's it. Oh, it actually works. Alrighty, well that is the difference between the Elmer's magical liquid. We have this one right here. Then we have the borax, which usually it takes a while to activate, but like it activates usually. So I don't know why the borax is being so terrible right now, but that's borax. And then we have the Nickelodeon activator. I think this one is the one. I think the Nickelodeon activator is actually the best for the clear slime because it actually like kept it thick, and then the borax kind of like watered it down and made it really like hard. And then the Elmer's is just like, oh, it needs help. Do you guys want me to mix this? Because I kind of want to mix it, but I don't know. But I think I am, so let's do this. See what kind of activator, what kind of texture comes out. Alrighty, well that is interesting. Whoop, whoop. Alright guys, I want to try one more thing. I want to test out one more thing. I am going to put water with baking soda in it, and I'm going to see if it activates the Crazy Art glue the same way it does with the Crazy Art slime activator. So yeah, first, here, little crunch. Alrighty guys, so I have a cup and like probably just a cup, a little bit more than a cup right here. We're gonna go ahead and put like that much baking soda. We're gonna put 2 of those. I think that should be good. Okay, let's give it a little shake. I hope that's enough, but let's go ahead and try it out, guys. So we first get some Nickelodeon, wait no, Crazy Art glue. Put some food coloring. Some glitter. Alrighty, and let's go ahead and use our activator we just made. I wonder if this is gonna work, guys. Okay, so let's put a little bit. I don't know if this is gonna be stronger or weaker. I think it's weaker, so maybe I should put more baking soda. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna put more baking soda in this. We're gonna put a lot more. That's like 4 spoons more. Alright, let's try this again, guys. Let's add the activator. I think it's working. Oh my god, it's still not working. Oh wait, no, it's working. It's working, it's working. Yay! Okay, I think it's starting to work. I feel like maybe we need to put more baking soda and make it like stronger, you know? And also, I need to restart because I already put like weak activator in there, so. But yeah, there it is. Ta-da! There's that's how you make Nickelodeon slime activator. Alright, well that's what I made. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one more time because I want to make the activator a bit stronger, I feel like. Or actually, I'm just going to try it again because I basically added like water in the beginning, so yeah. I have so much slime all over the table, guys. It's crazy. Okay, there's some glue, food coloring. Alrighty, let's do this. Let's add our activator. It's not working. Okay, well it works after. It's so weird. I feel like we need to add like more baking soda in the solution. Okay, this is the weirdest thing ever, guys. It foams up the glue. Alright guys, well there is the slime. I feel like theirs is a bit more like strong. That's why it has like a different texture. But I feel like it's just baking soda and water. What do you guys think? I don't know, but it kind of just seems like that. If I were you guys, I would just get a box of baking soda instead of the activator. But yeah, that is it.
Alrighty guys, well that was today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is my whole mess I made with my conspiracy theories and everything. And also comment down below what you think about our new Halloween Slimeatory. Oh, look at that, we got a bat right here that's like, I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys gotta know what your favorite thing is from here. I'm gonna have to say the cat. I love the cat. And yeah, that is it. At least